Hi everyone and welcome to today's video, how Bhagavad Gita can help you become self-motivated. As we all know, Bhagavad Gita is an ancient Hindu scripture and it is full of wisdom and guidance. It is written in form of an inspirational dialogue between Lord Krishna and Arjuna. It teaches us the path of ethical living, devotional worship, and the value of meditation. But did you know that Bhagavad Gita can also help you become self-motivated? Oh wow! Let's start by defining what self-motivation is. Self-motivation is a powerful force that encourages us to strive for our goals even when facing challenges. It helps us become more productive, creative, and disciplined in our everyday lives. The Bhagavad Gita is full of wisdom that can help us become self-motivated. One of the most influential verses of the scripture is found in chapter 2, verse 47. You have a right to perform your prescribed duties, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your actions. This verse teaches us to focus on our actions or karma rather than the end result. This will help us stay motivated as we focus on what we can do rather than the outcome. The Bhagavad Gita also teaches us to develop an attitude of equanimity or balance between pleasure and pains. In verse 2:38, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, you have a right to work, but never to fruits of the work. You should never be motivated by the result of our actions. This teaches us that we should take joy in our work without attaching ourselves to the results. But when we are able to do this, we become less motivated by fear and more motivated by intrinsic joy. The Bhagavad Gita also teaches us not to give up when life gets difficult. In the chapter 2, verse 30, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, do not yield to unmanliness. It doesn't befit you. This verse teaches us to be strong even in the face of adversity and not lose hope. When we are able to keep this attitude, we become more likely to persist in our efforts when faced with obstacles. So as we can see, the Bhagavad Gita is full of wisdom that can help us become more self-motivated. We must remember that self-motivation is an important skill to have, and developing it will go a long way in helping us achieve our goals. So remember Lord Krishna's words next time you feel stuck and keep working towards your dreams.